on, let me try to focus in. We're actually in a Yunque. Well, not exactly where we wanted to be. We're not exactly where we wanted to be. Where we wanted to be was a waterfall. But we weren't able to find the waterfall. And when we did get to the area where we are now, which I'll show you, there was a couple family up there. They come here often. And they did, I gotta focus on the camera. They did say that the waterfall is closed because after Maria, a lot of parts of the park were closed. So, and I did read and review up to like a month ago, people were putting in review that it's a beautiful place, but that a lot of parts of the Yunque was so close to Maria. So we were already on our way up here, and we had already wanted to come visit the Yunque, and the kids were excited, so we came. So we came to a little area where the kids can go swimming, and it's really not that bad. What area is this? He's eating Doritos. We're just done chewing. Because actually from my mother's house here, it took us almost an hour and a half. So from Salina here, it took us an hour and a half to get here. So the ride wasn't as bad as it was when we went to the other waterfall last week, because the other ride was about 2 hours. What was the name of the other waterfall?
Gosalia.
Gosalia. So it wasn't. So that's the waterfall that we went to. I'm not sure, you probably will see the vlogs. I'm not sure how I'm going to be posting them, but that was a beautiful place. But it's nice here too, so I'll give you guys a sneak peek. All the kids already left, and they're actually, they went up some rocks. I don't know, I'm not doing that because I have no swimming shoes on. But with that said, I'll take some videos.
This place you go by yourself.
I'm gonna go in too. I just want to take some video. There's people actually over here barbecuing and stuff like that, so. Gigi, do you have anything to say to YouTube? How do you like this place?
Here?
How do you like it here from the point of view of a 7-year-old?
What do you think? The water?
Yeah, what do you think about this place?
Like that we're at now, like not Puerto Rico.
Oh, it feels like we're not in Puerto Rico?
No, I said like if we're like...
Look at the camera.
Like in Puerto Rico?
Yeah. How do you like this area right here where we at today?
I don't know. It's kind of cold.
It's kind of cold. Do you like this place or the waterfall?
This place.
Huh?
This place, because the water's clean. I almost fell in the hole while I was swimming.
You almost fell in the...
It's a big hole. And I was like, what the heck is that doing? And I looked down and it was a big hole.
How does it feel in there?
Warm.
Warm. Let me know if you see any more little fishes, okay?
I slipped when I went.
What happened, Gigi? You're cold?
You got me.
know that we are in the Yunque, so it's like a rainforest. So it keeps raining, you know, on and off sporadically. And it started raining again. I kind of wanted to videotape it, but I guess it stopped because it'll rain like hard really fast, like for a few seconds, and then it stops. So I tried to catch it, but by the time I pulled out the camera, it stopped raining. So I don't think that you can really see it anymore. I don't think you can see the rain falling anymore. But yeah, it will rain sporadically, but it's really good. It's refreshing, and the water is not too cold, so it's really good. So it kind of stops. So when it starts raining again, I'll show you guys. But it's beautiful, and everybody's so nice. So I'll show you once again when it starts raining. When she puts them on, they twist. Where, that way?
Decent, not like this though.
There's people over there?
I don't know. You have to walk all over these rocks to see where they're going?
Yeah.
You gotta take your time though. We're walking over there. Where do the kids go though? I'm gonna go over there. See where
They
they're going.
climbed all those rocks over there.
I'm gonna go over there.
So this is the Yunque, guys. Not where we wanted to go, because that part is closed after Maria. There's a lot of parts closed, but this is so nice part. And you can get wet, and everybody's just chilling and having a good time. And it keeps raining on and off, but I guess that's what happens when you're like in the high Yunque, in the high mountains. So